Concentration is the key to effective piano practice. However, staying focused might be a challenge, especially when our minds are filled with distractions. In this video, we'll give you 4 practical tips to help you maintain concentration during your practice sessions, so you can make the most of your time at the piano. Establish a pre-practice ritual. Create a few rituals that signal it's time to focus on piano practice. For example, just as some people clear the desk and put a carafe of water beside them before starting work, you could establish your own pre-practice rituals. While placing the glass of water on the piano isn't advisable, you could consider preparing a pencil or airing out the room before your piano practice. If you have long hair, tidying them up might be a good part of your routine. You might also choose the shoes which are ideal for pressing the pedal. Anything that helps you mentally and physically prepare for a good piano session can be beneficial. Use the Pomodoro Technique. Break your practice time into smaller chunks. This means if you practice for 45 minutes, take at least 15-minute break before continuing. Even shorter sessions like practicing for 25 minutes and having a 5-minute break afterwards might be very effective. This approach is known as the Pomodoro Technique. Pomodoro is an Italian word for tomato and refers to a tomato-shaped kitchen timer, which was invented by Francesco Cirillo, who used this approach as a student. By setting a goal for 25 minutes and focusing solely on the task, you can achieve a lot in this short amount of time. However, keep in mind that your breaks shouldn't be too long. If you take too much time off, it can be harder to get back into the flow of your practice. Tip number 3. Adopt a teacher-student mindset. Imagine that you are a teacher and a student at the same time. As a teacher, try to make your lesson interesting and lively. Engage your student in the process. Give yourself a task and then complete it. Observe your practice from the outside perspective. This approach will help you to stay focused and prevent you from playing aimlessly without any tasks or goals. Tip number 4. Keep a distraction list. When we start practicing, it's common for our minds to start racing with thoughts of countless tasks we need to accomplish as soon as possible. The fear of forgetting these tasks leads us to interrupt our practice and to take care of them immediately. To manage this distraction, a useful method is to keep a blank sheet of paper nearby. As you practice, jot down any tasks which comes to your mind. This way you can focus on your practice, knowing that once you are finished, you can come back to those tasks because they're all written down. This method helps you maintain the concentration and ensures that both your practice and your other duties are managed effectively. Concentration during piano practice isn't just about discipline. It's about the environment and the mindset that helps you to foster focus. By incorporating these practice tips into your practice routine, you will find that your practice becomes more enjoyable and productive. Remember, consistency is the key, and over time your habits will help you to build a deeper connection with your music. Happy practicing!